Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace door handle on GMC Sierra. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Remove the interior door panel carefully using a trim tool and keep all screws organized in a tray. Detach the linkage and electrical connectors before removing the old handle assembly. Test the new handle and reconnect the battery after reassembly to confirm proper operation. Begin by removing the screws around the armrest and door pull, then use a trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips and keep removed fasteners in a small container to prevent loss. Once the panel is loose, tilt it slightly and disconnect the power window and lock connectors before setting the panel aside on a protected surface. This makes access to the handle area safe and straightforward. In this video, I will show how to replace door handle on GMC Sierra. Quick recommendation: if you like tidy workspaces and clean car storage, these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for bringing lunches to the shop without spills. They seal well and stack neatly in a toolbox or console, making snack time stress-free while you tinker. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Locate and remove the bolts securing the handle assembly inside the door cavity using the appropriate socket. Carefully unhook the linkage and springs, noting their orientation so reinstallation is accurate, then remove the old handle. Fit the new handle into place, reconnect linkage and springs in the same positions, and tighten bolts snugly but not overly tight. Reinstall the door panel and test the handle and lock several times to ensure smooth, correct operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.